Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I'll be showing you which fuse and which relay to check in case your heater is not working, so in case there is no air coming from the vents. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so before I show you the fuse and the relay, first I will quickly explain what's probably happening. Now, in case your fan is not working at all, that means the problem is the blower motor. Now, either the blower motor fuse or relay failed, or if not, that means the blower motor probably failed. But the first thing, the easiest thing to do is to check the fuse and the relay. And in case your fan speed actually works only on a specific speed and not the other speeds when you change it, that points towards failed blower motor resistor. Keep that in mind. So you want to check the fuse only in case your blower motor doesn't work at all. Blower motor fuse and relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is on the driver's side under the front hood right here. First you want to remove the cover. You can do that by pushing onto the tabs and lifting it up. And again, on the back side of the cover you have a fuse diagram. And here are all the fuses and the relays. Blower motor fuse, it's a fuse number F39, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here. This is the fuse you want to check. Just next to that fuse, this is the blower motor relay. Now the best way to test it is using the multimeter. If you don't have one, then you can try replacing it with one of the same kind. And if that fixes the problem, then just buy a new relay. It shouldn't be too expensive, maybe like $10-15, and replace it. Like I said before, if both of these are good, then the next step is to test the blower motor. You want to test if the power is coming to the blower motor. If it is, that means it failed. If it's not, then you have a wiring issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.